this is a review on repairing my Pitt Minions. I'm just going to do one to start with. They all seem to have the same common problem. They all seem to come undone here. They're starting to pull apart. They are all doing it. And they say that that's just normal wear and tear on them. Oh, yeah. You see, this is starting to do it as well, all the way down. But these do get quite a bit of work. And even this one's starting to do it too. As you can see. So I'm going to do the King James. I'm going to see if this works. We're just going to do this one first. And we'll see if this actually works. Now, I'm doing this with my phone taped to, it's actually zip tied to my iPod, my iPod, well actually my GoPro tripod, so we'll see how we go. My figuring on this is, if I just put a thin line of glue along here and get it to glue and get it to stick, because this here's all stitching. I'm just wondering if that might work. Just try and save the Bible, because like I said, I use these quite a lot and they're quite expensive. Maybe not. That's starting to pull away there too. But I'm going to give it a try anyway to see if it actually works. So this is the glue I'm using. So I'm just going to put a little bit in a little container that I've got here. Oh, can't get it out. Okay, we'll do it this way. I'll take the lid off. Okay, let's see what I've done. Whoops, definitely not that much. That is way too much. Need to get a cloth. Okay, we're back again. Let's see how we go. So I'm just going to put, as you can see here, just going to put a little bit on the tip. And then put this very fine paintbrush and zoom along here. These Bibles are quite nice. I mean, I take them with me all the time. Every time I go somewhere, I'll take a different, maybe, you know, I'll just take a different translation with me. I'm hoping this will fix it. Or at least prolong it anyway a little bit longer, because they're not that old. So, put a bit more. You don't want to make it real thick, otherwise, you know, it'll take forever for it to dry. But you don't want to miss any either. Okay, so all we're going to do is this, and hopefully that should stick it. It should, and I'm just going to leave it like that and put a brick on it, which I've got up here. Just going to put a brick on that for a little while, and hopefully that might work. So I'll put in the comments how the outcome came, because I don't edit. I just, the videos I do are just raw, and I'll let you know how I went. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. If you've got a Pitt Minion, it's doing the same.